3 ways real estate investors often get it wrong. This is part 3. So in the last video, I talked about how investors get it wrong because they get emotionally invested in a property. I'm going to prove it to you. Have you ever gone to an auction to buy a property, a tax delinquency auction, a foreclosure auction, and you go in there and you say, I'm going to buy this property for, let's say, $100,000. And you say, okay, I've looked at it, I've done all the research, I've done all of this stuff. I'm going to buy it for $100,000. And then the auction comes up and it goes to $85,000, $95,000, $100,000, $105,000. And you emotionally get involved because you're now emotionally involved in the auction, and you start thinking, okay, I'll pay 105 or I'll pay 110. And you look up and you paid 115 for a property that you didn't want to buy for more than $100,000. That happens with auctions. That happens when negotiating with banks. That definitely happens negotiating with sellers. That even happens when negotiating through a realtor. You have to learn to invest without being emotionally involved.